What if I told you that BMW is about to change the entry-level adventure bike segment forever? A bike that brings GS DNA, premium technology, and real adventure capability, but in a more accessible and lightweight package. Let's start with the design, because this bike clearly carries the GS legacy. The BMW F450 GS 2026 looks like a mini version of the iconic bigger GS models, especially inspired by the larger F and R series. At the front, you get a sharp LED headlight with BMW's signature asymmetrical design, giving it a bold and aggressive look. The BMW F450 GS 2026 is expected to come with a new parallel twin engine, delivering a perfect balance between power and efficiency. This engine is designed to offer smooth power delivery, making it suitable for both city riding and off-road adventures. You can expect strong mid-range torque, which is essential for tackling rough terrains and steep climbs. The upright riding position gives you excellent control and visibility. The seat is wide and supportive, making long rides less tiring. The handlebars are positioned for both seated and standing riding, which is perfect for off-road conditions. The F450 GS 2026 is expected to come loaded with modern features. You get a fully digital TFT display, which shows navigation, ride data, and connectivity options. Multiple riding modes allow you to adjust the bike's performance based on road conditions. The lightweight chassis makes it easier to handle compared to bigger GS bikes. On city roads, the bike feels agile and manageable, but once you take it off-road, it really shows its potential. Being a mid-size adventure bike, the F450 GS is expected to offer decent fuel efficiency. You can expect around 60 to 70 miles per gallon, depending on riding conditions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Rider Universe for more amazing bike reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.